Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Zoom breakout rooms. First thing is first, we will search Zoom Web Portal, then click the first link, which takes us to the portal of Zoom where we will change the setting. Then click My Account, which lists down options. We will choose Settings, which takes us to the setting of Zoom. Then click the Meetings tab, which brings us to meeting settings, or settings that are applied on meetings. Then we will be more specific and click In Meeting Advanced, which lists down more options, and then we will switch on the Breakout Room, which lists down its own settings. This setting allows us to encourage participants, better collaboration, and improves learning. And finally, we will open our Zoom software, where we will schedule our meetings. Now that we have updated our setting, we can start a meeting with breakout rooms. First thing is first, we will click New Meeting, which enables us to start a meeting and also enables us to create a breakout rooms. We can do it automatically or manually. For this video, we will be assigning it manually. And also, we can choose the number of breakout rooms. For this video, we will do it 6. This is so cool that we can name our room. After writing our name of room, we will click Yes, which is in blue. Also, assign the by clicking Assign. We don't have any participant for this video, but you can. After that, we can also add room right there and also delete the rooms we don't want. We can also customize our room by clicking Options. As you can see, we can also let our participants choose their room. We can also automatically move all selected participants in breakout rooms to main session. Isn't that cool? We can also set timer to automatically close breakout rooms. After finishing our customization, we will click Open All Rooms. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.